So I just uploaded on my other channel how I manifested my long-term serious relationship, and basically it goes into the steps that I took, and the steps that I took really not knowing what was happening, but now that I see that's what other people have done in the past and it's worked for them. So I don't know, I was just kind of stumbling across things and it was just happening for me. Basically this is good like if you don't have any like romantic connections at all right now, because when I started this, I had zero going for me in my love life. This happened, well, this started last year, but yeah, I had like nothing going on. So if your love life is looking like just really dry right now, these actually might help you, because literally I had to start from scratch. Yeah, it's something that I wanted to talk about for a really long time, but I was too busy caught up in actually living the life that I was hoping for last year when I started the journey, the process, and so yeah, I just never got into it. Also, now that you think about it, everything else like material wise that I wanted to manifest also came into my life. That's why I think it's really important that I start sharing more of like what I was doing, and because obviously I'm doing something right. But yeah, I just want to throw that out there. And also, I guess just like a warning, when you are basically manifesting relationships, I think sometimes God will also give you relationships that will prep you for like marriage or something like that. And so if you manifest something and it's going great for a while and then like it ends, I don't necessarily think that you did something wrong or like it wasn't, I don't know. I think it basically was there to prep you and to get you into like wife mode. So I see a lot of other people who are like, oh, I manifested this and it came to me, but it wasn't how I expected it to be. Or, and there was this, like, there's like a but. I manifested it, but, and honestly, in my lifetime, I've just found that that's just how things work in life. But if you do want something, like, if you feel like you're ready for marriage, like right now, and you can definitely start like practicing for that now, like practicing how you want to talk to your husband, or what type of values you guys want, or what type of things you will do. So yeah, however God is going to work into your life, we have no idea how that's going to happen. So just know I am making videos of how to be proactive and to get yourself ready for these things, but it's completely not really up to us. We can only like take action and you know, start moving into the reality that we want or the life that we want. But generally life has a way of just like surprising you.